Here we will continue from our previous video where we use the AskCody Bookings add-in. Now that we have booked our meeting room, we can begin to request services. The Services add-in is part of our advanced package that allows you to order items for meetings such as catering, AV equipment, and facility services. We can now choose a room if we had booked multiple rooms for our meeting. After choosing Bravo, we choose a service provider to order from. We'll choose Boston Catering. Then we choose our category, which is lunch. We can see the itemized list here, which is completely customizable. Let's select 2 turkey sandwiches and a veggie sandwich. Next, we have our delivery options where we can choose the delivery time. For example, if this was a 3-hour meeting, we could have some snacks delivered midway. There are also 2 delivery methods: on location, which is where the items will be delivered to your meeting room, or pick up, where the meeting owner will pick up their items. You can easily add additional services to your meetings. Let's select Facility Services to order a specific seating arrangement for the room. If you have any additional requests, it can also easily be entered in the comment field here. The last field talks about tax information. For some cases, you may need to charge the items to a certain cost center or client matter number. This will be charged to sales. Now we can place our order and see that it's been successful since the facilities team are waiting for approval. You'll also receive an email notification from Outlook confirming your booking. If you need to add or change the service order, it can be done from the meeting or the confirmation email.